Welcome to wrapper classes. Use primitives as objects. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Primitive data types cannot be used where objects are required, like in collections. How do we treat primitives like objects? Primitives can't go in collections. No methods for primitives. Can't use null for primitives. Wrapper classes allow primitives to be used as objects when needed. How is wrapper classes used in the real world? Collection storage. Store primitives in array lists, database operations. Handle nullable numeric values, configuration values. Parse strings to numbers. Wrapper classes powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without wrapper classes? Cannot store primitive types in collections like array list. Look at how messy the code gets. Primitives not allowed in collect. No object methods available. Cannot use generics with primitives. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. Wrapper classes. Look how clean the code is now. Enables null values. Works with collections. Utility methods available. Compare the difference. And that is why we use wrapper classes. Let's see how to implement wrapper classes in code. Here is the implementation. Integer wrapper. Box primitive int. Double wrapper. Box primitive double. Auto unboxing. Convert to primitive. Parse string. Convert text to int. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is the purpose of wrapper classes? Which one is correct? The correct answer is wrapper classes convert primitives to objects for OOP use. Which is not a wrapper class? Which one is correct? The correct answer is string is a class, not a wrapper for primitive type. What's printed? Which one is correct? The correct answer is integer cache returns same object for -128 to 127. What's the result? Which one is correct? The correct answer is auto unboxing null wrapper causes null pointer exception. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.